everyone, Kathy here with Diamonds and Coffee. I want to show you what my son bought me for Mother's Day. I actually sent him the link. He got it on Amazon, and let's see, check it out. All right, so it is the Artdot vacuum pen. Okay, if you're interested, you can either get it on Amazon or the Artdot website itself. And I was looking on Amazon and I seen it was on sale for $19.99, so I sent him the link and he sent it to me because he lives in a different state. So that was my Mother's Day gift, and he goes, how does it work? And I says, well, I haven't used it yet because I wanted to do a video to show you guys. So it comes in this pretty purple box. This is the purple one. I think there's a few other, there's a couple other ones. I think there's a yellow one with the bunny, and there might even be a newer one, but I wanted the purple one. And it comes like this with the orange kitty, and it has some, hold on, okay, it has some butterflies, moon, the stars. It has the little charging port right there, and this is the on-off button, and it comes with the plastic on the tip here so it doesn't break. You can see the tip there. And here is the plug. It comes with a thank you card from Artdot. It says, thank you for being a key part of our story. And it has a 1-year warranty and register the warranty. So I'm gonna have to do that. All right, so let's see what it says. Vacuum, diamond paint and vacuum pen, Artdot. It has different languages in here. Specifications, the battery is a 3.7 volt, capacity is 300 mAh. I don't know what that means. Runtime is 4.5 hours. Noise level and all that. Power button, which is this purple right here, is a power button. The blue light indicates 20 plus 20% battery. A red light indicates below 20 battery level, and the light will be off when it's powered off, flashing when you are charging. Okay, so that's the instructions, and there's the Artdot website. It's www.artdot.com. All right, so let's put this on. Let me shut my fan off real quick, and so you can hear it. It's very quiet, very, very quiet. Very lightweight, feels good in my hand. I don't think I need to charge it right now. I'm glad it has some charging because I wanted to try it with the ABs. Let's see, I don't have a canvas though. Well, I'm gonna do it on one that I was working on just to try it and see how it sticks down. I'm just going to try it on a corner here. I don't know if you guys have problems with ABs, but I do. It always sticks and pulls out the wax in my regular pen. I think it's frustrating because I love ABs, and I want to I like to add ABs making a mess. I like to add ABs to certain canvases to give it some bling. All right, so hopefully, let me see if I can come a little closer. I'm just gonna try to pick one up. These are the white ABs. I'm just gonna try it. It's very quiet. Okay. Probably needs a charging. I don't know. It shows blue. It's a little blue light. It vibrates a tiny bit, but not bad. Look at that. So I mean, you could use this for your whole, like all your diamond painting, but I just really wanted it for ABs because I am a little bit hard placer and I don't want to wear the tip out because it is plastic. There's this plastic tip. They don't have any interchangeable tips on these ones. So let me shut off a second, and yeah, picks up fine. Picks up fine. Now what I wanted to try, I'm sure it will and it doesn't stick, so that's good. So let me put those back. I want to try on some bigger special shapes just to see if it will pick it up. Put that off to the side. Let's see, these are big. Probably not. Nope. It won't pick up the big ones, which is fine. Like I said, I wanted it for the ABs. So yeah, it's awesome. I'm gonna charge it because like I said, I don't know how much charge is on that. So what I'm gonna do right now is do a quick little rest of my Temu haul for you guys. So hold on and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm charging the Artdot pen and this blue light right here, if you could see it. It's not blinking, so it must be done charging. Because it said it would blink if it was when it's charging. Alright, so this is the rest of my order that I got from Temu a few days back. And I pre-opened them so I can get them out easier. This is a 40 by 40. And it comes with the basic toolkit, diamonds. Let's see this one. This is a coastal scene with the lighthouse and the little house here, some flowers, the ocean in the back, sunset. It's really pretty. Let's see if I could show you the thumbnail, and every time I do it looks blurry. It's blurry. Trying to get it to focus, it's not focusing. Well, let's see the stick. Stick is good. Drill field looks good. Okay. I know it's shiny. Let me shut my curtain, see if that helps at all. Really pretty colors in that. Let's look at the colors. Oh, they're all in bags, which is awesome. They're all kitted up. And you guys can't see it, can you? I don't know why it's so dark in here. There, maybe you can see it better. All those pretty blues, greens, corals, peach colors, yellows. It's red. It's all kitted up with 20 colors. 20 colors, 1 through 9 is numbers, and 10 is alphabet through 20. So that is that one. Let's do a partial. It's partial. It's really pretty. That is a 30 by 30 kitty cat. Isn't that pretty? All the colors, really pretty. The whole thing looks like it's diamond painted. Most of that whole canvas is diamond painting. Basic toolkit. Let's check. Oh, these are even bagged up, which means it's not in a train like the ones that are all together. These are all separate and own individual little baggies, like kind of like Ziploc bags, but not Ziploc brand. It's number 12. You would put that where you see the number 12, the little gold rounds, yellow goldish. These are like orangey marquees. Pretty blue marquee. Pretty blue rhinestones. Dark blue rhinestones. Oh, these are just like, aren't even rhinestones. They look just like black, regular diamonds. We got clear or silver. And we have like a yellowish green color. Gold, I don't know. Cause this one looks like a bronze color. And then a darker gold color. Lighter yellow. And then there is a few of these like turquoise color. That's pretty. Very pretty. That's gonna be a nice one. Very nice. All right, this one wasn't even in anything. It was just kind of like this. I'm gonna roll it backwards. It's really rolled up. Wrinkly, very wrinkly. All right, let me get my putty knife. See if I can fix it a little bit. I don't know. Doubt it. What I usually do is put it under my light pad, like overnight, and it flattens it out pretty good. Huh, this is an odd shape. Or I should say odd measurement. It's 37 by 37. It's different. Usually they're like 30 by 40, whatever, but 37 by 37, and it is like a grist mill. There's some pretty flowers and trees around it. A waterfall here. Really pretty. 27 colors. No, wow, that is really tiny. Tiny, tiny little tiny legend on the side. Let's see if I can show you the picture there. Not really. I'm gonna put this one under that light pad to flatten it out, but it's really pretty. 27 colors. Numbers through 10, and then 10 through 27 is, yeah, alphabet. All right, let's see. Ooh, now this is a train. So let's see here. It wasn't even in anything, so yeah. It's gonna be a lot of earth tones. Excuse me, browns, greens, rust color, woodsy colors, oranges, peaches, greens. All right, I'm gonna put it in that one. All right, let me check the stick. Pretty good. Pretty good stick. All right. We got one left. And this brings me back to the days when I was younger. Because, let's see, I was going to say I already opened it. This brings me back to when I was younger because my mom had lilac bushes in her yard when we grew up. And they were purple. Let me roll it back. Beautiful. I love lilacs. We can't have lilacs out here because they don't grow in Florida. And then before we moved to Florida 5 years ago, we lived in Arizona for 15 years. They don't grow there. So I'm originally from Massachusetts, and that's where I grew up loving lilacs. And the smell, we used to cut them off the bush and put them in a vase of water and bring them in, and the whole house would smell so good. So that's why I bought this, for memories. Beautiful. This is a 30 by 40 full canvas. 1 through 8 is numbers, and 10 through 23 is letters. Let me check the stick on this. Good. Very good. But yeah, purple and white lilac in a vase. So pretty. Pretty, pretty. I think I'll do this one after the one I'm working on. Alright guys, oh here's the drill, regular basic toolkit. Drills, I'm not going to open these, but oh, there's pinks in here, there's browns, beiges, purples of course, whites, orangey colors, probably up here on the top here. But yeah, should be a lot of purples in there, greens, cream color, bluish here. Love it, love it, love it. Can hardly hear that. So, all right guys, that's everything I have for you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye for now.